wanted to bring this video to you guys, to share this video with you, because I'm gonna be doing my first ever review for makeup products. What really gets me excited is that the brands are from my country. The brands are from Tanzania. So I'm gonna be telling you guys how I feel about the brand, well, the quality of the products, you know, yeah, all of that stuff. So I'm gonna really like actually just give you guys my opinion on the products. So the brand is called, it's actually owned by she's actually younger than I. She should be maybe 22 or 23. So she owns this brand and it's called Bloomcosmetics. It's a Tanzanian based brand, and it's not actually like the first makeup brand in Tanzania, because I've seen a lot of other makeup artists come out with their cosmetic line, but I have not done a review yet. So this is actually like my first ever review. I think this brand must have launched last year. They first came out with their eyeshadow palette and they named it Tropicana. What I love about this is that the packaging, honestly, the packaging is okay. It's just average. It's not like the best packaging. I mean, I've seen better packaging, period. You could have said it's it looks like the Morphe palette, eyeshadow palette. You could say that. I believe the formula is different. The colors, the choice of colors is different, you know, and the brand name is different. The design, the design is also different. So I wouldn't say it's like an actual Morphe eyeshadow palette. So first things first, this eyeshadow palette is named after Tanzanian climate, which is, we experience tropical climate. They decided, they picked the name according to Tanzanian weather, which I like, showing pride of our country. So it's really like, this is like the best idea. I just love the idea of using, you know, names or words that are related to our country. So Tropicana Bloomcosmetics. So this is how it looks inside, you guys. It has several colors, many colors. The choice of colors is beautiful. They have warm colors, they have the dark colors, they have you know, the greens, the blues. I just love that they considered the, of course, you know, black people. So this warm colors, you know, the warm colors like, you know, the orange, the peaches, they really work best for black people. I'm gonna use this palette today, so you guys are going to tell me what you think about, you know, their eyeshadow, because I feel like it's super pigmented. You guys can see that. So just recently they came out with their lip gloss line. They actually sent me all the shades for their lip glosses, so I'm gonna review them on my channel. They came out with actually 5 shades of lip glosses, so they sent to me the 5 shades and I'm gonna do the review for you guys. So first things first, I want you guys to know that this video is completely not sponsored by the brand. So everything I'm going to say is completely from my point of view, and it's really just my opinion. So nothing is influenced by the product or the brand, or is sponsored, or I'm getting paid to, you know, talk about this. No, this is completely from me. It's completely my opinion. Let's get into the video. I really know there's like this new trend where you do your eyebrows, you really just conceal like the lower part underneath the eyebrows, and you don't conceal on top of the eyebrows. So I'm gonna try that today. Let's do it. For my brows, I'm going to use the MAC eyebrow pencil in brown. I want this to look really natural as possible. gonna use an eyebrow brush. So to conceal my eyebrows, I'm going to use the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. So I'm using this concealer brush here. So I'm using this brush right here. It's a blending brush for me. I'm going to blend out everything. I'm just gonna blend out the concealer. Go with the concealer. I'm just gonna go with the concealer. So I am not going to go with the concealer on top of my eyebrows. We'll just leave that. I'm gonna go with my favorite eyeshadow palette right now. So I want to use greens today. So I'm gonna go in with a really warm color. Then I'm just gonna go over my crease. Oh, look at that, you guys. The formula is everything, you guys. It's super pigmented. You just want to take a tiny bit before you ruin everything. So I'm using this brush, and I like to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow palette, Glow Kit, whatever, and just going with the Mimosa. And then I'm just gonna lighten my underneath brow. So I'm going in with this eyeshadow brush, and I'm gonna go in with this green color. Okay. Woo. And then I'm gonna go in with this color to just blend everything out. Really want to blend that out more, so I'm gonna go in with a peachy shade. Okay, I'm gonna go in with the green color. I just want to add an extra, an extra pop. So there. I'm gonna go ahead and cut the crease using my LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Yellow Corrector. I'm using my concealer brush to cut the crease. My finger to blend the crease. Okay, now that I've cut my crease, I'm gonna go in with this. I'm just going to press that. So I'm gonna go in with a green color. Then I'm just going to add more color. Now I'm going to use the Kiss Beauty eyeliner gel in black, and I'm using this brush. Okay, I'm trying to decide, should I do a wing eyeliner or should I just go with the new style? with the eyeliner, I like to clean up my eyeliner using concealer. Then I'm using this brush to just blend that concealer out. So I'm gonna go in with the white eyeliner. Going with the oriflame skin toner. Normally when I use this, I just don't use primer. It looks like water, but it gives a blemish finish. I just wanted you guys to look at this beautiful packaging of Beauty Blender. I got this from Miniso. A friend of mine got this for me, and I am in love with them. They're actually super soft. This is like the best thing that ever happened to me. So for my foundation, I'm using the Superstay foundation in the shade 362. That is truffle. That's some of that onto my. Now to highlight my face, I'm gonna go in with the Espresso shade from LA Girl Pro Concealer and the shade Toffee. Set my face, I'm just gonna use the Benye Banana powder. Now I'm gonna go in with my Minister contour palette. This shade to contour. Ooh, super pigmented, you guys. So while my powder is setting, I'm gonna do my lashes now. I'm gonna go in with I'm using the Verfer lashes, and I'm using a tweezer. This works really good for me, you guys. So I'm just going to place that on top of my lashes. Using my brush, I'm just going to take off the excess powder. I'm going to do the lower lashes. So I learned this trick from a fellow makeup artist from Tanzania. I'm going to leave her Instagram link on the description below, so you guys, if you guys want to follow her and check out her amazing works, you can as well just do that. Take the strip lashes and just cut small pieces and use them as individual lashes to put to do the lower lashes. So that's pretty much it. So this is what they look like after you cut them into small pieces. Okay, so this is how they look, you guys. What do you guys think? I just love them. I'm actually going to do my lips, so I'll do the swatches for you guys, and I'll tell you guys what are my favorite shades from this from the lip gloss line, and I'll tell you guys what I think about the product. Guys, so the shades, the names come on bottom of the boxes, so they actually named the shades according, again, Tanzania, you guys, who you know. So the names, we have Lulu. Lulu means pearl, so this is a Swahili word from our country, of course. So Lulu means pearl, and then we have Almasi. Diamond. Yes, we have Almasi is diamond. And we have Johari. So Johari stands for minerals, you know, the resources we have in Tanzania. Yeah, so I'm gonna open this for you guys. So this one is Lulu. Oh, look at that. Oh my god, look at the color. It's beautiful, you guys. This one here is Johari. Oh, they call them the lip smack. This one here is Johari, and it's pinkish and it glitters, so it's a good lip gloss you can put on top of just any lipstick. Then we have Almasi. This is like a clear lip gloss. It looks good. So my favorite shades are Lulu. So we have, and this is my other favorite shade, the Habu. I also love these are my favorite picks. We have Johari, we have Lulu, we have the Habu. It's confusing. I'm gonna use the Habu and Lulu. Oh god, you guys, the formula is just everything. And then I'm going in with Lulu. So I'm gonna go in with a little bit of green. So I'm gonna go in with the Anastasia Glow Kit, and I'm going with the shade Mimosa. So we have the finished look. What do you guys think? I mean, so let me know what you guys think and leave your comments on the comment section below, and I guess I'll see you guys on the next video.